Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Before removing the compressor, recover refrigerant using a certified recovery machine and approved container. Do not vent refrigerant to atmosphere. Follow legal and environmental requirements at all times. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent electrical shorts while you work on the vehicle. Wear safety glasses, gloves, and long sleeves to protect from oil and sharp components. Gather tools, metric sockets, torque wrench, manifold gauge set, line wrenches, and a drain pan. Label electrical connectors and refrigerant lines with tape, park the vehicle on level ground, and engage the parking brake before starting work. Recover refrigerant with service ports using a manifold gauge set and a recovery unit. Remove serpentine belt, taking note of routing or photographing the belt path for reassembly. Unbolt compressor electrical connector and clutch wire, then cap the wires to avoid contamination. Loosen refrigerant lines with line wrenches and remove mounting bolts while supporting compressor. Lift the compressor clear, keeping it upright to prevent oil spills, and set it on a clean bench. Inspect the old compressor for metal shavings and record findings before disposing of the unit. Measure compressor oil. Transfer the correct amount, typically specified in milliliters by the manufacturer. Replace receiver dryer or accumulator and install new O-rings lubricated with correct PAG oil. Bolt the compressor with torque values per vehicle spec and reconnect clutch and wiring harness. Evacuate the system to a deep vacuum for 30 minutes and check pressure stability. Recharge with the exact refrigerant charge listed, test for leaks, and verify cooling performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.